Hey everyone. If you're getting a permissions error or access denied on Google Meet in 2026, like you cannot join a meeting or it blocks you instantly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, open Google Meet and make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account. Using the wrong account is one of the most common causes of this issue. Next, check if the meeting link is correct and still valid. I mean, expired or incorrect links can lead to access errors. Now wait for the meeting host to approve your request. Some meetings require permission before you can join. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. I mean, old stored data can sometimes block access to Google Meet. Next, disable browser extensions that might interfere with the site. Some extensions can cause permission conflicts. Now, check your camera and microphone permissions in browser settings. I mean, without proper permissions, access may be denied. After that, try using incognito mode or a different browser. This helps bypass corrupted settings or conflicts. Finally, check your internet connection and firewall settings. I mean, security restrictions can sometimes block access. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Meet permissions error or access denied in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you should be able to join meetings normally again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for fast fixes.